Hello reception. This week we've been learning about the sea and we would like you to make your own poster. So we'd like you to make a poster of all the things that you've learnt about the sea. So I've done an example just to show you some of the things you might want to have on yours. Now when you're looking at my poster you can see there is a mixture of pictures and writing. Okay, so you need to have a mixture of both. Now in the middle I've put my title. You need to have a title so that we know what the poster is about. So ours is all about the sea. All my pictures link to the sea. Okay, so you need to make sure that your pictures are about the sea. So if I'm learning about the sea, I wouldn't have a picture of school, would I? No, we don't have the school at the sea. So I've got fish, I've got shell, I've got some seaweed, some turtles, some other plants and a boat, because that's all the things to do with the sea. And then I've wrote all the things that I've learnt. So I've done 2 sentences, but I've also done some lists, and I know that you're all very good at writing this now, so I'd like you to have a try at writing the list on your poster. So I've done a list of what things I can find. It's like old boats, old trains and some rubbish. And then I've also wrote about who might live in the sea. So you might find some turtles, some other fish and lots of different types of plants. And then I wrote 2 things I found out. So I found out that the water in the sea is very salty. So I don't think it'd be a good idea to drink the water from the sea. And I've also learned that there are 5 oceans in the whole world. Now I look forward to seeing your posters and seeing what you've learnt about the sea. Okay, and remember you can make yours however you want. So you might want to stick things on, you might want to paint things. Just make sure that you have fun. I look forward to seeing all your lovely posters. And if you have any questions, you can ask Miss Norman or Miss Howard on Class Dojo. Thank you.